There's an amazing opportunity happening right now for those of you looking to start selling online. TikTok Shop is taking the e-commerce industry by storm, and the best part about it is that anyone can get started with it. As soon as you find a product that can be sold between $30 and $60, has a wow factor, and solves a problem, that's when you can take it to TikTok Shop and start selling like crazy on TikTok. But let's talk about why TikTok Shop is creating the biggest area of opportunity right now. There's an affiliate program on TikTok which allows creators with the audiences that you need to promote your product organically and increase the reach and sales that you can generate. And it's so simple to set up. All you have to do is just set up your TikTok Shop in the TikTok Business Center. Then from there, create the commissions that you're willing to share with the creators promoting your product and have them start posting. With TikTok continually pushing to create more consumer spend on the app, videos with the TikTok Shop will be pushed and money will be made. And I just dropped an entire step-by-step walkthrough of how to set up and run your TikTok Shop so you can get a piece of the opportunity of a lifetime.